Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve ChatGPT Preauth Play Integrity error in minutes. Now, this is an updated version for tutorials in 2025, and this is how it should look like. I know that this may be frustrating. So Preauth Play Integrity verification failed. You cannot really log in your ChatGPT account. And that's really frustrating, I know that. So I'm going to give you some steps to follow here. First things first, I want you to uninstall. You heard me right? Uninstall ChatGPT on your mobile devices. After installing that one, I want you to go to settings and look for, if you're using Android devices, look for Play Store, an iPhone storage, or on your device's storage if you're using Samsung. On my end, I'm going to look for App Store, and basically, for this one, I'm going to offload or clear the cache data for this application. Once that's done, I'm going to go back on App Store and reinstall ChatGPT. Alright, you heard me right. I'm just going to do this one as it is and basically reinstall it. A fresh new start. Because sometimes a fresh new start is really the answer on the bugs and errors of your applications. Now, let's just say after reinstalling it, the problems still persist. Another step for you guys is we're going to do the same thing we did on iPhone storage for ChatGPT. So we're just going to look for ChatGPT here. Should be around here somewhere. Now, for example, we found it, okay? We're just going to offload the application just like what we did on the Play Store or the App Store. As you can see right there, there is an offload application. Click this one to clear the cache, and I guarantee that this problem will be fixed. That being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.